What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, let's get to it. Move our attention to taking the leads off of the battery. So we're going to want to take the black one off first. This one's a side post battery. So we'll just go ahead and loosen these up. I'll disconnect the black one first, so then when we're touching the positive one, it doesn't have a full circuit, so there's no power really going through it. Then you go ahead and push that lead out of the way so it doesn't accidentally reconnect. Then we'll go ahead and loosen up this positive one. Push that out of the way. We should be able to lift the whole battery out now. And we could drop our new one in. Yeah, these little things get stripped out so easily because that little head's just 5/16 of an inch. Now here are the new battery post terminals. I went ahead and picked these up online. I'll put a link down in the description, but I think places like Walmart even had them when I was there to buy the battery. They even have some side post ones that have the post on the end and then the threading so that it's easier to jump them. Check those out. I'll put some of those down there too. Alright, now it's a good idea before we reconnect it to go ahead and clean up the ends of your terminals with a little wire brush or even some sandpaper, just to get them real clean so we have a nice connection when we reconnect our battery. Alright, now sometimes you can just pull out these posts, but sometimes you got to get some vice grips. Clamp down on the post real tight and just loosen it up. See if we can't pull it out that way. Just have to pop it out. There we go. The vice grips really help pull it out of this. And we can take our new post, slip that in, use the vice grips again to push it through that seal. Easiest way is just to screw it in kind of to get it into that seal. And let's go ahead and reconnect it, and we're going to connect it in reverse order than when we disconnected it. Connect the positive first. Make sure you got it good and tight. There's a 5/16 inch, these little posts. Then we can go ahead and connect the negative side. I want to tighten these down good and tight. Don't strip these, they need to be tight though. Small wrench usually works best. Alright, that should be it. Let's go ahead and try and start it up. Alright guys, and that's it. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my notifications for new ones. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, and I hope you got your car working. Bye.